Feed Your Mind programme is a management degree programme run by Lidl. It offers applicants the opportunity to obtain a Level 7 foundation degree in management practice specialising in retail in conjunction with the Ulster University and the Irish Times training. One of the key advantages of the programme is that it offers a blended approach, wherein applicants have the opportunity to obtain a degree while simultaneously working 4 days a week in a Lidl store or in a Lidl warehouse.
For me, the thing I enjoy most about the programme is going into college on one day and having a lesson. That lesson is tailored around the job that I actually do day to day, so I'm able to go into a lesson, take knowledge from that and go into work the very next day and be able to apply that almost straight away. So for me, the best thing is hard related. The University of Ulster content is to the actual job profile that we have to deliver every day. The Feed Your Mind programme is for anyone who wants to push their own boundaries. Lidl are a fantastic company at driving the best performance from their individuals, and for anyone who feels that they can achieve more or they want to work harder to further their own career, Lidl and the Feed Your Mind programme are absolutely perfect.
If you're someone who's looking to develop your skills as a manager specialising in the retail industry, this course is definitely for you.